December packs all things sweet. It's the season of sweaters, hot drinks and treats. It's also the month of cakes, which means we're back with our traditional Christmas cake. Our video recipe today makes 10 cakes. We start with a well-mixed bowl of butter, sugar and eggs. Whisk them until they're nice and smooth. Then we have our bowl of raisins and dates, nicely mixed and soaked in rum for about 2 weeks. But as you can see, with all the ingredients in front of you here, it really is a simple recipe. Let's get started. So, now that the raisins and dates have soaked, we are going to add a jar of orange marmalade and mix thoroughly. Once that is done, we are going to take our white flour and add our cinnamon, clove, baking powder and salt, making sure to mix it thoroughly as well. Next, we're going to add our bowl of chopped almonds, stirring them into the flour and spices. Once you think you have a good mix, you're going to add the soaked raisins and dates with marmalade to the flour mixture. When you have a good mix, and you can start seeing the color of the raisins again through the powder, you can add your bowl of well-mixed butter, sugar and eggs. Now at this point you may want to add a little bit of water to help you mix the ingredients, but make sure not to overdo it. You want your mix to be firm, not runny. Okay, now it's time to get your cake pans ready for your mixture. Start lining the pans with butter and sprinkling a little flour so that your cakes won't stick to the pans. Finally, the cakes are ready to go into the oven, where they will bake for approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes. Once they're out, you can carefully tap them on the counter to loosen them up from the pan, and flip onto a cooling tray. We hope you enjoyed our video, and if you would rather order your Oroville holiday cake, we suggest you follow the links in the description below. Happy holidays, and please don't forget to subscribe on your way out.